Hey friends, Chef Wainaina here. Today I'm sharing this very delicious and easy to make chickpeas, cauliflower and potatoes curry, a dish that is packed with flavors and you can do on any day of the week and you or your family will definitely enjoy. Without further ado, let's get to the kitchen and start this delicious dish that I have already done the prep work for you. Into this pan, add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. I'm using grapeseed oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Add onions, season, salt and pepper. Cook these onions until they slightly get some color. This is half a medium red onion. The other half I've cut into florets. Perfect for finishing this dish. Once the onions have slightly browned, add garlic, ginger, add a heaping tablespoon of curry. This is my homemade curry. I will share the ingredients used in the description together with all the ingredients used in this recipe. You can definitely buy curry from the supermarket, or if you have an Indian store close by, you'll get some very good curry. It's just so aromatic. Add about a half a cup of tomato puree. Add a half a cup water. Let this curry sauce cook for about 5 minutes or so, just to bring all the flavors together and to cook off the tomatoes. Turn the heat up just slightly. Put the lid on. Now this curry paste is slightly cooked. Add a half a head of cauliflower that I've cut into bite-sized florets. 5 medium-sized potatoes, Yukon Gold, cut into bite size, goes into the pan. Season with some more salt and pepper. Give everything a stir here. You want the curry to coat the potatoes, the cauliflower. Put the lid back on, cook for about 5 minutes. It's been about 5 minutes. Give everything here a quick stir again. I like the vibrant colors of this dish. Add 1 small can chickpeas. I have some fresh green beans here that are still raw. Add them at this point so that they cook together. The remaining half of the red onion. Add about a cup water. We are not looking to make a very soupy curry here, but also make sure that you add water as needed to make sure that the potatoes are cooked through and the cauliflower. Heat all the way up, bring to a boil, cover and cook until the potatoes and cauliflowers are softened. Let's check where the potatoes and the cauliflowers are. They are nicely softening. Add 1 green chili. Scallions, greens and white. This is from 2 scallions. And then a heaping of baby spinach. Kale, collard greens or leafy greens will work too. All we need to do is just wilt them into the dish. And we are done. Just a touch salt, some black pepper. Turn off the heat. Lid back on, let the spinach wilt. There you have it. Finish with some scallions greens, a good squeeze of lemon juice. Just can't wait to taste. Serve this deliciousness family style, all just on a plate like this. Some more of these green onions just for some crunch texture. Get in here and give a taste test for this dish. Some potatoes, some of the cauliflower. Some chickpeas, green beans. If you let me, I'll go ahead and eat all these here as you watch, but I don't want to do that. But this is a very nice summery curry that you can do on any day of the week. A slight kick from the curry, spices, nice taste, nice contrast, the textures, the green beans. The dish just screams flavor and deliciousness. I hope it's a dish that you can try just on any day of the week. Top it with a piece of fish or chicken, as I said before. Try some of my recipes. I will share them in the description and right on top somewhere. I will see you in the next one. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment down below what you think about this curry. Subscribe please. I'll see you in the next one.